Hello Prep 1. Now we will explain a new lesson of geometry, the Pythagoras theorem. Who is Pythagoras? Pythagoras is a scientist of mathematics, okay, and his theorem was on the right angle triangle. The right angle triangle. As we know, the right angle triangle is a triangle that has a right angle, okay. What did he prove? He proves that if I drew a square on the hypotenuse, do you remember the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is the side that opposite to the right angle. This is the hypotenuse. And if I drew a square on the hypotenuse, this area equal the area of the two squares, the area of two squares on the two sides of the right angle. Let me see you. And this is a formula of the theorem, okay? The sum of areas of the squares on the sides of the right angle triangle is the same as the area of the squares on the hypotenuse, okay? Okay, as we see, ABC is a right angle, okay, and BC is the hypotenuse. This square on the hypotenuse, its area equal the area of the sum of two areas of the two squares, okay? Let me see you an experiment, a nice experiment, and to can imagine what I want to know, okay? This is a right angle triangle, okay. Turn. The water in the two squares will fill my squares on the hypotenuse, okay. Again, please. Again, okay. Can you imagine? It's very, very nice. And I trust that you won't forget my theorems after watching this video. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks, honey. Okay, excuse me. Again, how can I get the area of this square? What is the rule of my area of a square? Side by side. The side here equal 5 multiply 5, side multiply side, or 5 square, BC square. Okay, and here 3 multiply 3 or 3 square, then AC square. Okay, here 4 multiply 4 side by side or 4 square, BA square. Then I can translate this theorem into a mathematical sentence by, okay, BC square equal AC square plus, okay, AB square. This is the Pythagoras theorem, okay? This is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and now all of this relation about the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is my right angle triangle. Okay, BC square, BC is my hypotenuse, equal AC square plus AB squares, okay, the two sides of the right angle, okay, and when I want to get the length of BC, I will put this relation under the root, and also by logic, when I want to get AB, okay, and AB square equal BC square minus AC square, I will make the subtraction operation, and well, when I want to get AB, I will put my relation under the root, and so on, also on the other side. Okay. Okay. Let's answer some exercises on this point. Okay, here I want to get the length of PC. I will use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, here BC square equal AC square plus AB square. Okay, equal AC square equal 20 to the power 2. Okay, and here 15 square equal 400 plus 202. Okay, equal 625. Then I want to get BC. I will put the result under the square root equal 25 centimeter. This is my steps. You will use the calculator and obtain the result immediately. I want here the length of ZY, so I will use the hypotenuse square, XY square minus ZX square equal here 8.5 square minus 7.5 square, and you will obtain the answer after you will put the result under the root. So I want to get ZY, put the result under the root. Okay, and also to this exercise. Another exercise. Excuse me. Look at this exercise. Here I have two right angle triangles. So I will get this at the firstly here AC square equal AB square plus BC square. So here AB 4 square plus 3 square, 16 plus 9 equal 25. So here AC equal the square root of 25 equal 5 centimeter. Okay, I get AC. Here at the triangle ACD, I want to get the hypotenuse. No. I have the hypotenuse here. So I make subtraction operation. Then here DC square equal AD square minus AC square. Excuse me. Okay, equal 13 square minus I have 5 square, and you will make the calculator. By calculator you will obtain the answer after you will put under the root. Another one. Look at this exercise. It needs a little bit of thinking, but it is common in an exam. Look at, I have here the length of the two sides of the right angle, but I want to this side but marked by the question mark. At the first I will get the hypotenuse length by the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, AC square equal AB square plus BC square. Okay, equal 8 square plus 6 square equal 100. So AC equal the square root of 100 equal 10 centimeter. Okay. But I want to get this side. How? This side. Think. Okay. This is the height. The area. Do you remember the area? The rule of area. Half multiply base multiply height. Half multiply base multiply height. But at the first we should to get the area. How? By another way, I have the base and this height. So I will get the area at the first. The area of a triangle equal half multiply base multiply height equal half multiply base here equal 6 centimeter multiply height 8 equal 24 centimeter square. Then I'll get this height by this area. Okay, the height BD, my height equal, my height equal 24 divided half multiply 10, okay, equal 24 divided 5 equal, calculate by calculator, and this is all what I want to say. Please, homework in the booklet, page 53 and 54, and thank you prep 1 and good luck.